In this video, we will explore the best budget 3-burner stove hobs to buy, and these are amazing 3-burners hobs that you can find in the market. Comes at a budget price and offers great value. These models combines efficiency, durability and affordability, making them perfect for modern Indian kitchens. So let's dive into the best options that offer a great value without breaking the bank. Milton Champion 3-burner hob cooktop. For all the hobs that I have shown in this video, the links for them are provided in the description and also tagged in this video. Milton Champion 3-burner hob cooktop comes with the 3 brass burners, and also the body has got a toughened glass top and the ignition is manual here. It is ideal for budget-conscious consumers seeking a basic yet efficient 3-burner stove for everyday cooking. The important reasons for which you need to consider this hob is its most affordable option among the 3 models that is been shown in this video, and it has got compact and sleek design. It has got anti-skid feet for stability and easy to clean surface. Bajage UCX 3-burner slim glass top gas stove comes with 3 brass burners, slim toughened glass top, and the ignition is manual here. So this is recommended for families looking for a stylish yet affordable 3-burner stove with a reliable performance. Reasons for which this 3-burner stove should be considered is its slim design that saves kitchen space, high efficiency brass burners, easy to clean and maintain, and it has got sturdy pan supports. Prestige Magic Plus 3-burner gas stove comes with the 3 brass burners and toughened glass top, manual ignition. It is recommended for families or individuals seeking a reliable and budget-friendly 3-burner stove. Reasons for which you need to consider this is a compact design suitable for small kitchens, durable brass burners for uniform heating, spill-proof design for easy cleaning, and affordable pricing. For all the stoves, I have provided link in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.